In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a song on Distrokid. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your track from your computer onto major streaming platforms with confidence and without common mistakes. Start by signing into your Distrokid account on the website. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Upload button. That's your starting point for creating a new release. Click it and you'll land on a form that walks you through everything you need. First, choose the stores where you want your song to appear. DistroKid supports Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, Amazon Music, and many more. Most artists select all available platforms so the release reaches the widest audience, but you can uncheck any services that don't fit your plan. Next, fill out your song information. Enter your artist name exactly as it appears on existing releases to avoid creating duplicate artist profiles. Type in your song title, pick a release date, choose your genre, and set the language. If your track has strong language or mature themes, mark it as explicit. Otherwise, select clean. As a tip, consider setting your release date at least a week or two in the future to give platforms time to process and to allow you to pitch to playlists where available. Now, upload your audio. DistroKid accepts MP3, but a WAV file is recommended for best quality. A 16-bit 44.1 kHz WAV is the standard and will help ensure your master sounds its best across services. Double check that your file is the final master, free of clipping, and named clearly to match your metadata. Add your cover art next. Use a square JPG or PNG that's at least 1000 by 1000 pixels. Many artists go higher, like 3000 by 3000 for crisp results. Avoid copyrighted images, blurry graphics, and any text with URLs, social handles, or store logos, since these can lead to rejections. You'll also see optional fields. You can paste in lyrics, add songwriter and producer credits, enable YouTube Content ID to monetize matches on YouTube, opt into Dolby Atmos if you have an immersive mix, and set up splits so collaborators get paid automatically without manual accounting. Before you submit, review everything carefully. Confirm the title, artist name, audio file, artwork, and store selections. When you're happy, click Done or Submit. DistroKid will deliver your release to the platforms you chose. Processing times vary. Spotify typically takes 1 to 5 days, Apple Music 1 to 7 days, and YouTube Music usually a few days. Plan ahead for important dates, watch your email for any updates, and you'll be live before you know it.